So Mona, what's that say again?
100,000 welcome.
Say it in Irish for me.
Keep me the falsha.
Falsha. Beautiful.
What are you going to do now?
The apple tart.
Excellent. Are you going to make the pastry from scratch?
Yeah.
Wow, excellent. Because I love how seeing people make pastry.
I never used to use eggs, but my friend at home, Madeleine, she used to make them for her brother-in-law and bring them over and eliminate them.
This is back in Ireland?
Yeah.
Okay.
And she used 4 eggs, so I started using the eggs then. But I don't think it's any.
You don't think any difference in it?
No, it's not much different.
Yeah. Okay, so what do we go in first here?
Flour.
And how much this time?
Wait till I think about it.
Like you notice there's no book, she's just
I know. I love how women can cook like that. Yep. See, I have to have the recipe out. Yeah. So it's about...
Well, that's 1 cup I reckon she's already done, and now you're about 3.
Yeah,
you reckon?
I'm only going to do 1 tart because I have another in the freezer.
Okay, great. So we've got, what do you reckon, how many cups of self-raising flour?
Oh, it's about 4.
You reckon?
About 4. And what's that you just put in?
Baking powder.
Soda. Baking powder. Yeah.
Like about a teaspoon of baking powder? Yeah. Oh, okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
it's not much coming out.
Yeah.
Don't do this.
That's the equivalent of a pinch, isn't
You did
it?
about 7, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Good on you,
so
it's
half a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Or a quarter.
Yeah.
So it's not a lot.
Thank you, Declan. That's very good. Yeah. How many eggs in there, Mona?
I only put 2 because I'm only doing the 1.
So, yeah,
I generally put the 4 because...
But we're only doing 1 pie.
Yeah. So
have you already stewed your apples?
I buy the tins.
Ah, there you go. This is good. Yep. Oh, is that Marge there you got?
No, that's Butterlex.
Right.
I don't know who told me about this. I think Madeleine might have. So I just put a scoop of this in before the butter.
Oh, I wonder why.
She seems to like this brand one too.
There's no
only 1?
Yeah, but you can't get the apple now.
Right.
Okay.
I don't know how much that I'll be putting in. Maybe a ½ pound.
Yeah, that's quite a bit of butter.
Yeah.
½ pound, you reckon?
It's supposed to be flaky.
Oh, and then you're gonna what do you call that when you squish it between your fingers? Yeah. Mix it in that way.
Okay. Going up there.
You ever lost a ring in there?
No. I generally take them off. But there's no diamonds there, so I didn't bother me ad.
So it's quite dry at the moment. Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
Oh, thanks, Declan. Yeah. Very good
at the moment.
Work there. Very good.
So is that just so you can mix it all and then add a liquid?
Yeah. Okay. You can push a drop of water to it.
To the eggs, isn't it?
There you go.
Now we'll see what happens.
Oh, now we'll see what happens. So it could turn out to something.
That's hilarious.
Let's have a wonder. Let's have a looky-see now.
Oh, nice. Nice consistency.
It's quite golden.
Yeah,
it's obviously
the eggs.
Oh, it's the eggs, it's not the butter. You'd assume the butters. Okay.
So now it's too messy.
It's too moist.
Oh, so a bit more floury.
Yeah.
Okay. So you're adding about another ½ cup by the looks of it. Oh.
Yeah, we see how it goes. You have to put this in the fridge for a few minutes.
Oh, when you're doing the pastry?
Yeah.
Ah. Why is that? Just to...
Haven't a clue.
And what part of Ireland are you from, Mona?
County Dublin.
County Dublin?
Yeah, Dunleary.
Oh, Dunleary. Oh, yeah. You're not far from the border at all. From where my mum's family are from.
Do you want that?
Either.
How many have you got?
15 grandchildren and 5 great-grandchildren.
What did you say? How many grandchildren?
15.
15?
When they all only have 2.
Yeah, I know. Not
Pigeons
like...
clutch.
What did you tell me that you were one of how many?
15.
15. My God, you got a
11 boys and 4 girls.
Amazing.
And there's 8 years between each of us.
8?
Girls.
Wow.
Yeah.
Do you want to put that
Guys
onto
and-
over
Right,
here for
so
your mum?
we're back on our pastry. We've taken our pastry out of the fridge, and now this is for our apple pie, and we've cut it into 2 pieces
Yeah, you want to.
and adding more butter.
No, just to...
Oh, just greasing the plate.
Yep.
Cool. Oh,
And now
I
she-
love your little technique here. This is very good.
No,
Whoops.
this is not very good. It's second breaking. I knew that had happened because someone
okay.
was
Because
looking
you're
at-
getting video.
So, yeah, someone was looking at me.
I know.
It'll work.
That'll be fine.
You want me to put the apples onto that?
No,
Okay.
I'll go to blind bake it. I forgot about that.
Oh, okay.
Because I hated being wet pastry. What do you call it?
Whites. Pastry whites.
You can do anything. You can put a packet of peas on it if you want.
So these are the things I wouldn't know how to do any of this.
And then that's popped into the oven.
Yeah.
Oh, you're kidding me! Oh, this is a new thing. I've never seen this done before.
But it bakes the bottom.
Otherwise, you'll probably find that the bottom of the pastry is really mushy and it doesn't cook all the way
that's
through.
amazing.
Yes, it doesn't
I've
cook
never
very
seen
well.
that done before. So there you go, Mona.
Yeah.
I've learnt something big today. And how long is that going to be in the oven like that?
I'll just give it about 10 minutes.
Right. And this is this bit you're doing now. That's for the lid, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Wow. Okay, now we've got the weights have done their job, and they're being put away, and we've got our pie base. So is that a bit
Oh,
crispy
that's a
now?
bit too much.
Too much what?
Too much pastry. I didn't flatten it enough. That'll do.
So that's been in for 10 minutes, and now we're about, I think we're going to put the apples in, are we?
Yeah.
Rightio.
Do you just pour them?
Yeah.
So we're popping the apples.
Would you use a whole... You wouldn't, would you?
Yeah, you saw it in.
Oh,
Jeez.
I like them to know there's apples in it.
Oh, okay.
the whole tin is in.
She likes to know that there's apples in
Yeah,
it.
I like that too. I do. I noticed that about yours as well. The piece I tried already.
There you go.
How
And
much
this-
sugar are you going to put on?
Oh, just whatever.
Yeah, I'll open it up. So you're doing your hands again, or you're just pouring it?
No, do my hands.
Yeah, see?
So stand back this way.
Yeah,
a bit
it's
so
all
I
right.
can see it. Yeah.
I can see. It's good. It's great. Oh, that's hilarious. Just chuck.
I leave it there, the more to go on top.
So we've got our base, our apples, and now we're going to put its little lid on.
It's lid on.
Yeah, I like watching this technique.
So do I.
Yeah, look at that.
Yep.
I'll try and get it all over it.
Oh, you've done well, Mum.
Well
That's
done.
really good.
Perfect.
And what I've left, I'll do the minced tarts with.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you never waste a little bit of pastry,
No.
do you? You always put something in it.
I always recall then
Look at that. See how the top of the pie's got that lovely, you know...
wave.
Waves. Yeah,
So
I
I
love
remember
it.
we used to always do that, and that was our job.
Ah.
We used to put
just-
balls on top
And then
of
you
it.
you put
Oh,
balls on
there
like
you
that.
go.
Yeah.
So you pick out a couple others, and you just go,
Ah.
and that was the, and so that sort of divided it as well. So you sort of knew
yeah.
where your piece was.
Yeah. Oh, yes, very nice. And how long is that going in the oven for now?
Maybe half an hour. Hold on.
What you doing?
Oh, a bit of water?
Yeah.
Now, why is that, Mona?
Well, the sugar sticks to it, I think.
Ah.
I don't know.
So you want?
Dry my hand.
Oh, that's
yes.
very interesting. So these
So
are
you-
all these little tricks. Yeah.
Okay. Now that's warm. Okay.
Yeah.
And that's where it will go really golden.
Yeah.
Yep.
Punchy.
Yeah. So we'll set that to your 30 minutes. Let's have a look. Yep. There you go.
Beautiful.
And
Done well. We've got our apple pie in the oven cooking.
open the door if you want.
That's all right.
There you
You're
go.
the best.
That's
Thank you for that.
No worries.
You're very kind because it's so nice seeing women cook. It really is. You know, because everyone does it differently.
Yeah.
And that's why I like learning all these different little things.